Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure drivers are current and you have administrator rights. Once done, open Windows Settings, go to System Display Graphics, and pick the app executable or browse for the exe. Choose High Performance to prefer the discrete GPU or Power Saving for the integrated chip. Make sure you distinguish UWP apps from Win32 games. This first step assigns an explicit GPU preference at the OS level, which prevents apps from auto-selecting the wrong adapter. Next, you refine control with the GPU vendor tools. For NVIDIA, add the game in Manage 3D Settings Program Settings and set Preferred Graphics Processor to the High Performance NVIDIA processor. For AMD, create an application profile and select the discrete GPU and performance mode. For Intel, set App Preference in the Command Center. Once configured, make sure Power Management is set to prefer maximum performance for that profile. Doing this ensures the driver-level policy. Finally, you verify and test your changes. Launch the app or game and open Task Manager's Performance tab or run GPU-Z to confirm the discrete GPU is active. If the wrong GPU still loads, sign out or reboot to apply profiles. Make a clean driver install if needed. If problems persist, try switching the app between global and program-specific settings, clear cached settings in the vendor utility, and then test again. One troubleshooting tip: use a clean driver uninstall tool before reinstalling if settings refuse to stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.